making letters. A, B, let's make a C. Roll it. C. Hidden treasures. You can put things in the Play-Doh for the kids to find. So they have to search through, like this. Or you can have things that the kids have to find, like finding the lizard. And then they can search through and find specific objects. Making pictures. You can use a Play-Doh mat and make pictures like this one to add butterfly wings to the butterfly. Or you can make pictures just with the Play-Doh, like making a sun. Cookie cutters. So you can have the kids roll out the Play-Doh, and then have them choose what cookie cutter they would like. You can make a star, work on the fine motor of taking it out and picking it up. Stamps. So you can use different things to make stamps out of. Some of them could be textured so that when you place them in the Play-Doh, then it's sensory and the kids can feel the different textures. You could also use different stamps, like from an ink pad, to make different shapes and different pictures and different prints. Vehicles or cars. So you can bring in toys that your child likes and incorporate them into the Play-Doh play. So things like driving your cars through, making tracks. You could make rocks with your Play-Doh, load them up, drive them and dump them. Incorporate different toys and play different ways. Footprints. So you can choose different animals, dinosaurs, whatever your child likes to get them interested in playing with the Play-Doh and start having them walk through, make different footprints, and then they can start to compare the different shapes, the different sizes. Some are circle, some are square,